Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into the VOO ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 8, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.62. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 5.88%. This means that on average, it has provided a return of 0.24% per day since being designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the middle of a rising trend, although it is relatively weak. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Looking at the short-term trend, which covers the past 3 months, there is a potential 4.69% change expected over the next 3 months. The potential return falls within a range of -4.39% to 7.03%. In terms of the 12-month trend, a 15.27% change is anticipated over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 4.7% and 20.54%. In other words, the price could range from $442.78 to $509.77 after a year. Our latest update on the VOO ETF brings us an interesting headline. The price of the VOO ETF closed at $422.92 on Friday, showing a gain of 0.45%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 8, 2023, the VOO ETF price experienced an increase of 0.45%, going from $421.01 to $422.92. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $420.15 and a high of $423.37, showing a fluctuation of 0.77%. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been moving up and down, resulting in a total gain of 1.09%. Additionally, both the volume and price increased on the last day, which is considered a positive technical sign. A total of 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.16 billion. Looking at the VOO ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $423.37, while the lowest price was $344.34. Currently, the price is 0.11% or 45 cents below the 52-week high. It is also 4.16% or $18.34 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 4, 2022, with a price of $441.26. Today, we will be discussing the signals for VOO, an ETF that tracks the performance of the stock market. The VOO ETF currently shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock will find support at $420.33 and $405.22. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 12.08% increase in the stock price. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is reached. Volume is also increasing along with the price, indicating a positive technical signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also been identified, which may affect the stock's short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, suggesting a potential downturn in the near future. It's worth noting that the VOO ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023, as seen on the long-term chart. The golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line intersect in a special combination. This rare occurrence often precedes significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a sell. The pivot signal indicates a buy 30 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicates a buy 17 days ago. The short-term moving average signal indicates a sell 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buy 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 23 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average signal indicates a buy 27 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buy 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. VOO has a significant support level at $412.23, which presents a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock's price. This support is backed by accumulated volume, making it even more reliable. In terms of risk, VOO tends to have controlled movements and boasts good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with investing in this ETF is considered very low. On any given day, the ETF's price fluctuates between its high and low by an average of $3.22, or 0.766%. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.696%. This indicates that the price swings are relatively stable and predictable. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for VOO. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $407.78, indicating a decrease of 3.58%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk factor. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 29 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating positive trends for VOO ETF. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. Furthermore, when examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, December 11th, we anticipate VOO to open lower by $0.773, starting trading at $422.15. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source to base your investment choices on. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree by commenting below. We're curious to hear your thoughts. And what about your target for the ETF? We'd love to hear your predictions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope you have a successful trading session and a beautiful day. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.